One fine day at office. A big file comes my way with an apology for some of the manual work which this task requires. There are list of email IDs in this file. I need to extract all the email IDs and have to send a generic mail to all of them. Isn't it a waste of time? Had it been an organized file, I could have used mail merge, which I had shown earlier in one of other videos. I'll put the link in description. But in this case, let's use Python and automate it with the help of regular expressions. So the file which contained a lot of email IDs looks something like this. It's a curtailed and a short version of the same file. And it had multiple email IDs and it was like multiple of MBs, this file. But for the demonstration purpose, I have deleted all the content and placed something which is non-confidential here. So what I need to do is I need to fetch all the email IDs which are there in this file, and then I have to send the mail. So if I can fetch the email IDs, definitely I can send a mail to them, putting all of them in BCC and sending them a generic mail. So let's see how can we extract the email IDs from this file. In one of our previous videos, we have seen what is regular expression and how that can be used. I'll put a reference to regular expression video in the description. So what we are doing in this Python script is we are opening the file, and this file is meant for keeping the email IDs after reading them from another file. And we are opening this file in append mode. So it will keep on appending. The next time you open, it will append from the last line. And I initialize a variable called total email IDs with a 0. And then I open the file which contains all the mail IDs which I have to fetch from this file. And then one by one, I iterate through all the lines which are there. And then I strip the line, use the regular expression to find all the emails which are there. And then again, what I do is, if in case the length of emails is greater than 0, which mean on this specific line I was able to find an email, in that case I iterate through the emails which are found inside the emails. Okay, inside this list, whatever email were found, I will iterate through them, and on every iteration what I do is I increment the total email IDs by 1. Okay, to have a total count of how many email IDs are there. And finally, I close the file, and I would also write the number of emails which were captured. I'll place the script somewhere in Git and put a link there. Now let us execute this. So in one of the line, it was able to fetch 3 email IDs. Somewhere it was able to fetch 2. Some lines there was null, which is not represented here, and some lines there were 1 email IDs. So total of 12 email IDs was fetched by this job. Okay, so let me do a clear. Now let me do the ls one more time, and now you can see that email list file has been created. So what I'll do is I will clear, and I would say cat email. So these are the email IDs which are captured using the Python script. Now I can just copy these email IDs, and I can use these email IDs to send mails to these people. Thank you very much.